I am Father Joby Joseph, rector and working in St. Anthony's College. I teach in the Department of Computer Science and currently head another department called the Department of Value Education. That's something about me. My journey to priesthood, of course, it was started since very young. I always wanted to be a priest for God. What inspired me is my parish priest, my relations, uncles who were priests, so committed. And I had a parish priest who was the first renewal member who brought charismatic retreats and prayers to Kerala. And he was in my parish. I was blessed to be baptized, First Communion, and all my first sacraments from him. So there was seeing his dedication, commitment, and his spirituality. I was somehow drawn, and I had the longing always to be God's priest. To be a Salesian, of course, God's way it happened, and I find this is where I have my full service to God and to His people, especially the young and the needy. What do I admire most in Don Bosco is his love for the young, especially the poor, the needy, and how he was able to think ahead of his time. Centuries back, he was able to look beyond and find things that were so meaningful even now, and his method of the spirituality of the preventive system, being with, guiding, and leading them to God and closer to God. And that is what catches from Don Bosco's vision and his mission of leading young people closer to God, making them more spiritual. Okay. Message for young people. I'm sure all of us want to be happy, all of us, wherever we are. And we all want to make the best of our life. But what would give us happiness most? Would it be a life that I have served myself the best? Or would it be a life that I serve many? So when I give the best of me to God and to His people, I think that is the greatest happiness. So a life well lived is a life well lived for others and of course for God alone. I think that is where I find my life as a priest, as a Salesian, so meaningful, and I think that is commitment. But is there a sacrifice in this life? Yes. What we sacrifice is many things, apparently, but what God gives in return is always the great and the best. That's my message.
Thank you.